Sabon Pohnpei State COVID isak tuo task force men pachawan sakarek away men cheruri sakpayo riagadri sakeo irai chonadogan pelin rasan mau pamen me pachalat pon sob MV Chief Milo o yak kasawan COVID isak tuo pileo pachawan kaso o sansalta may rain me pamen pukach socha chungaran kamas and so mau COVID isak tuo. Hirai chonatok pukach pachoyer nan quarantine ni January surya katri sakeo morana katiyaraktar me emenchon sob MV Chief Milo chungalan kumas and soma COVID saktuo. Palien Pohnpei State COVID saktuo task force men pachawan sagarak way me rai chonatok pukach koros pachawan tawan kosantikan koros ni uyapen perere soma wach. Sang ni chon the tong kan arain pachawan the tong kay liko o men perere kan wayan kachin wangi pachawan me maswat socha kakto yang rai chon the tong pukach. Chon the tong pukach pachawan itawan ko santi o yapen na pali so mawach o aray chungal kaso te test kan negative te socha chungalan kay kapinsalet te sumaw COVID saktuo. And sansan menel ranwach soche machungalan kumasan COVID saktuo Pohnpei Pohnpei waramas machungalan kumas and sumaw COVID saktuo pachpachapon sob MV Chief Milo luan paina oto kisang sap mail kay wan sansan machawakan soche todi sang pon sob wach opilpan soche todi tolol Palian task force panan so koros pachawan saksakaragway irakarwarukan mepit so mawan COVID saktuaw an so matang. Ong ren kay na makalalapangkan mepit so mawach kung akar nempen telefon siluriaw sero siluweo sero tuaw. COVID-19 official statement. The Pohnpei State COVID-19 Task Force advises that as of January 14, 2021, the Pohnpei State COVID-19 Task Force advises that as of January 14, 2021, 4 healthcare workers from Pohnpei State Department of Health and Social Services have tested negative for COVID-19. The healthcare workers have been quarantined since January 7, 2021 as a precautionary measure after a positive test for COVID-19 was found from one of the crew members on board MV Chief Milo. There is some fear in the community regarding whether the health staff went to the community prior to going into the quarantine. The Pohnpei State COVID-19 Task Force would like to reassure the public that the health staff followed all the protocols which were developed based on available scientific evidence. There was no risk of transmitting the virus when all procedures were followed properly. The health staff were wearing full personal protective equipment, gears, which was then safely removed and safely disposed of according to the protocols. Furthermore, today's result confirmed that these staff are COVID-19 virus-free, which further confirms that they were not infectious right after coming back from Chief Milo, as some people may contend to believe. Other than the positive case tested, quarantined, and contained on the vessel anchored over several miles of Pohnpei shore, it is safe to say today that Pohnpei has no case on land and there is no risk nor potential of community transmission of this virus in Pohnpei as of today.